My people, una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening. I greet you all according to una time. Una welcome back to another video. If today na the first day wey be say you're the same my YouTube channel, you are highly welcome. My returning subscribers, thank you. Wanna say they always come back to watch my video. So guys, today video I will show you how to prepare yummy and delicious fried rice. If you want to know how to prepare this yummy delicious fried rice, then keep on watching. Abeg make una no forget to subscribe, like and comment. Okay, this fried rice now one of the best no fail method, and e no dey quick spoil. You fit leave am for your fridge there as long as you want. Okay, so guys, for our protein we go dey use turkey. I just add my seasoning, blended onions and ginger, then I come put my curry, thyme. Okay, you fit use any seasoning of your choice, then salt. I just put everything, then I come stir am, and I come cover am make e simmer for some time. Okay guys, as I first told you, fit use any seasoning of your choice. Any seasoning of your choice. Okay, e go still come out very good and delicious. So after I just add am, then I come cover am make e simmer for some time. Then later I come add my water. Okay, I come put water the same level with the meat, then I come cover am make e cook. So guys, our meat done ready. Then I could just send down to oven. Okay, I doctor for oven. Then it now our meat stock. Then I can add my parboiled rice already parboiled. Then I can add a little bit of water. Then I can stir everything. Then I can put my salt. Fresh pepper, onions. Then I just put everything inside. Okay, then after I just put everything inside, then I can cover and make it cook. I can't taste for salt. Okay, I can't say it needs some salt. The seasoning just did okay, and the curry was okay, the time everything was okay. Then I can put my salt, then I can cover and make it cook. Okay, so guys, our rice done ready, well cooked and ready to be fried. Okay, see it, I just test them because it's a day very okay. So now make we do the fry. Then I can put my groundnut oil for my pan. Then I can put my diced gizzard. Okay, already cooked and cut. Okay, you fit use liver, na the same thing. Okay, just that I just like to use gizzard. Okay, this na gizzard. Then I cook am, then I can dice am to this size. Okay, then after I fry the gizzards for some time, then I can put my vegetables. This na carrots, green beans, red pepper, green bell pepper and yellow bell pepper. Then I just put am, then I can begin fry. Of course, this na fried rice, I dey need fry. Guys, trust me, if you go through this process, you prepare your fried rice like this, trust me, that fried rice, if you leave am for your fridge for as long as you want, e no dey quick, e no go spoil. Like, e no go spoil. Okay, e no go spoil. Then I just put some thyme for the for my vegetable. The vegetable I just put some thyme, curry and salt. Sorry, I lost the clip. Okay, not very better. I had curry, thyme and I just put some salt. Then I can begin stir. Okay, I can stir for some time. After I stir for like 5 minutes, yes, for like 5 minutes, then I can put my rice. So my people, this now the second batch. Okay, we don't almost the truth. So guys, if you watch me up to this time and you never subscribe, what you dey wait for? I beg, make you not forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Okay, I beg, make una dey share my video. I beg, make una dey share my video. So guys, our fried rice done ready. This fried rice tastes so good, guys. It tastes so yummy. Like my family will really enjoy it. See guys, if you go through this process, you prepare your fried rice like this, trust me, you will come back and thank me. So guys, make una not forget to like. I will see you again for my next one. Bye.